Should you plug your Perkins engine water pump whipple? The answer is no. You should not do that. If you do that, you are going to have problem. This is one of the debates. So many people have asked me this question. If coolant is dropping from here, should you block it? Don't plug it. If you plug it, you're going to have problem with your water pump. You see this hole that is here? You can see there's one here, and there's another whip hole here too. These holes are there to notify you that there's something wrong with your water pump. In fact, it's a sign that your seal is bad. When you plug it, what will happen? Then the coolant will now be from here, the coolant can be going down to your engine. So you don't have to plug it. So since you don't want to plug it, what should you do? It means you have to rekit your water pump. You have to repair your water pump. So rather than thinking of plugging it, you need to repair your water pump. You go for repair of your water pump. By doing so, your water, this ripple, the coolant will no longer drop from there again. So we have a challenge of a whip hole leaking. You don't plug it. Rather, you allow it to be dropping until when you have time to fix your water pump up. Hope you get something from this video. Don't plug your water pump whip hole. You have done that before, you have to unplug it. It's a sign that water pump is now getting weaker, so you need to do something. Instead of you to plug it, what should you do? You repair your water pump. In another video, I mentioned that your water pump is repairable. Don't have to replace it. Rather, you can go for repair of your water pump. If the coolant is dropping from here, don't plug it. Rather, you need to take action immediately, and that means you need to rekit your water pump.